Hello, hello, hello! Join me as I do my very first Walmart grocery pickup. Now shopping, and we did a order online pickup in store for a bathing suit for my daughter to wear to camp. And they told me about their new pickup option. I know it's not new altogether for Walmart, but my local Walmart hadn't had it, and now it's new. So I realized I didn't have carrots or celery for a meal we're having tomorrow. And I don't want to go into a store, but I will be driving by a Walmart already for plans we have tomorrow. So I decided I'm going to give this a whirl. So my carrots and celery were $1.28 each. They're right down here, but I need $30. So I just started thinking of things that we need. So I got a loaf of bread, some cheese, pizza sauce, sour cream. We're going to a birthday party tomorrow, which is when I will actually be passing by the Walmart. I'll just leave a little early so I can drop off the food before I head to the birthday party. We still needed to get him part of his gift, so I am getting kinetic sand. They're going to deliver it right to me. And then we are all out of popsicles, and the ones that we buy from the ice cream man, I see they sell at this Walmart, and I'm so excited to surprise my family. So I've added those. I'm still a couple dollars away from the $30 minimum. And again, all of this is stuff we'd be buying anyway. So I'm just going to add one more popsicle to the list. We won't need popsicles for a long time, but the prices are so good. And I just can't believe that I'm able to get these bomb pops that we buy from the ice cream man occasionally at Walmart. So instead of paying $2 for one, I'm getting 12 of them for $2.47. So that is pretty sweet. So I'm going to check out now. It's now 12:01 in the morning, and I'm excited that I can get my grocery my grocery list all set. And I'll record the process tomorrow, and you'll see that in this video. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna go, but this was the next page where I'm just showing you how it works. So since it's just past midnight, today is an option. I'm going to select 10 to 11 just to give myself and my son a little time to relax on the Saturday morning. Here is where you would add a promo code. If you follow my link, it'll save each of us $10. Do it! So it tells you that they'll email you and it's ready. We park in an orange sign and they'll bring the order out to me, and it does say that tips are not welcome somewhere. We don't accept tips, but smiles are welcome, so that's awesome. So this is the next morning about 10:30 and I'm about to leave. I'm checking in. I'm still in my house. It's allowing the app access to my van or my location, so that they can tell how far away I am and when I get there. I checked in, and now I'm about to head in the van and go. I promise you, I did stop at all of these stop signs. It just doesn't look like it. I had a very quick and easy drive. You can see we live close to a Walmart, but I just wanted to be sure you know that I do stop at stop signs. I'm not a reckless driver.
Hi.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm wonderful. Yourself?
Pretty good, thanks.
Can I get a name just for her?
Jackie,
Okay, Jackie.
popsicle lady.
Well, it looks like you wanted the original bomb candy seeds ice pops, and we needed to substitute that for the originals. Will that be okay?
Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
What would happen if I said no?
I can take it off.
And then I just won't pay for them? Yeah, I'd rather not get those.
Okay. I've only done this once.
Okay. Okay, so this bag is a bag of goodies that I've heard about. You get like freebies when you pick up items. So it's a bunch of samples. I'm going to see what's in here. There's a bag of chocolate munchy muffins. Oh wait, chocolate chip muffins. A bag of gummy bears. Who would like those, Mom?
Mom,
What about a chocolate milk? Do you want that?
yes.
Okay, and is there a superhero on it?
Yes.
And, oh, sour fruit snacks. Oh my goodness. Ooh, coffee. Is that for Mommy Cow?
Yes.
Let's see, there's more. There's a bunch of coupons in here. Ooh, pack of oatmeal. A Clorox wipe. Whole box, or bag of coupons, packet of coupons there.
What?
Way more coupons.
What?
And almond butter.
What?
Wow. Nice free samples
They open
for a convenient service. So I said I was going to report back. Our frozen items are still very cold. They don't feel like they've been setting out for 40 minutes. That is happy. I'm happy to have that. And the cheese and the sour cream, both are very cold. And the produce that they picked, it looks like ones that I would pick, so they didn't pick bad ones. That's one of their guarantees, is that they pick the best of the best, and my carrots and celery, even though those are kind of hard to screw up, look really good. So I'm very pleased, and I can definitely see doing this service in the future.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back again.